একুশ নম্বর কোশ্চেন কি বলছে, হুইচ অফ দ্য ফলোয়িং ইজ কল্ড দ্য সেফটি ভালভ অফ দ্য নেচার। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C. Volcano is called the safety valve of nature. 21 number question explain. A safety valve is a device which allows the liquid or gaseous to escape that from the machine when the pressure to inside it become too great. Similarly, a volcano is a rupture in the crust of a planetary masses object such as to Earth that is allows to hot lava, volcanic ash and gaseous to escape from magma chamber to below the surface. So it is also known as the safety valve of nature. Next question. 22 number question কি বলছে, হিমালয়া has emerged from which of the gasoline? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটা হবে? Number A. Tithias. Just Himalaya has to emerge from which is gasoline. 22 number question explain. The Himalayan mountain have to come out of the great gasoline is called the Tithas Sea. About 120 million years ago, there were only two big continents in the world. In the north was Laurasia and Angara land, and the southern hemisphere was Gondwana. In between Laurasia and Gondwana, there was a long, narrow and shallow sea called Tithas Sea. Sediment were brought by the river from these land masses and deposited in the bed of the sea. The Himalayas wasn't formed by the compaction and cruising of this is the sediment. Next question. 23 number question কি বলছে, water covers -% of the earth surface. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B. 75% water cover of the earth's surface. 23 number question explain. Water make up to about 71% of the earth's surface, while the other 29% consist of continent and island. It is because of this that earth is also known as blue planet. 96.5% of all the earth water is contained within the ocean as a salt water, while the remaining 3.5% fresh water lake and frozen water locked up the glacier and the polar ice caps. Next question. 24 number question কি বলছে, which of the following the lake to lies on the equator in Africa continent? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B. Victoria. This is following the lake to lies on the equator in Africa continent. 24 number question explain. Lake Victoria lies on plateau between the western and eastern rift valleys. Most of the lake to lie south of the equator. It is the largest lake in Africa and chief reservoir of the Nile. Next question. 25 number question কি বলছে, what is the called the residual eroded mound of sporadically located in karst plains? এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C. Whom just is called the residual eroded mounds sporadically is located in karst plains. 25 number question explain. The residual eroded mound sporadically located in the karst plain are known as homes. This is a carved relics of the limestone rock after erosion. It is the residual hill of limestones on a fairly level floor, such as the isolated hills limestone in Polges. In some tropical areas, to home also used to loosely and synonym for mogot. Next question. 26 নম্বর কোশ্চেন কি বলছে, হুজ সায়েন্স ইজ এ সিসমোগ্রাফি। এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, earthquake, his science is the seismography. 26 number question explain. Seismography is the scientific measuring and recording of the shock and vibration of earthquakes. The study of this record is known as seismography. The instrument for automatically detecting and recording the intensity, direction and duration of a movement of the ground, especially of the earthquake, is known as seismography. Next question. 27 number question কি বলছে, an earthquake of a magnitude on Richter scale has 1,000 times more destructive energy than an earthquake of magnitude 4. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, 6. 27 number question explain. The Richter magnitude of the earthquake is determined from the logarithm of the amplitude of waves record by seismograph. Because of the logarithmic basic of the scale, each increase of 1 unit on the scale represent a 10-fold increase in the magnitude of an earthquake. 2 points on the Richter scale from 4 to 6 or from 5 to 7 correspond to about 1,000 times the energy release. Next question. 28 number question কি বলছে, the power of dash is the expressed in terms of a magnitude on a scale called an Richter scale. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, an earthquake, the power of is expressed to term and magnitude on a scale called Richter scale. 28 number question explain. There are two ways in which scientists to quantify the size of the earthquake: magnitude and intensity. Magnitude measured to energy released and source of that earthquake. Intensity measured to the strength of shaking produced by the earthquake at a certain location. The Richter scale is used to measuring the magnitude of earthquakes. Marcelli scale they used to measure intensity of earthquake. Next question. 29 number question কি বলছে, ফজা ম্যাগমা ইজ এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, rift lowland, just Fozza Magna. 29 number question explain. Fozza Magna is a great rift lowland of Japan that is traverses that widest portion of Honshu from the Sea of Japan of Pacific. It is the partially occupied the mountain and volcanoes of the southern part of the East Japan volcanic belt. It is the most notable physiographic features and Honshu region. Next question. 30 number question কি বলছে, the seismic waves and recorded by the instrument called the এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, seismograph. The seismic wave that recorded by the instrument is called. 30 number question explain. The instrument for automatically detecting and recording the intensity, direction and duration on earthquake known as the seismograph. Seismography is the scientific measuring and recording of the shock and vibration of earthquake. The study of this record is known as seismology. লিস্ট ফুল হয়ে গেছে।